actually 5 seconds. That's why they say track minutes are not real minutes. I was a little bit faster than him when I didn't have a passenger. Passenger slows down a little bit.
I'm like 60 kilos.
Yeah, yeah, it should be about a second and a half slower.
Yeah.
So we should be able to keep close to him, but probably not pass him.
Like, is he a good driver?
Yeah, doing pretty decent.
Oh, nice.
This is a challenging configuration. It's not run that often.
Oh, okay.
So there's some tricks to it that a lot of people don't know.
Because it's got a lot of turns and stuff?
Yeah, like how to do this part right here. This is a weird part.
Yeah, it's like...
Yeah.
It's like a snake. Just more curvy.
And when we're going full speed, when we come over this hill, the car gets light. And so like it'll get squirrely and we'll be doing over 100 miles an hour. Yeah.
Ryan did like 120 back there with his Ford. You know, like he was I don't know, crazy, man. I thought I was gonna like flip over at that point. I thought I was gonna die, but
he does better on this hill to the next part. We're only 225 horsepower, he's like 600. So yeah, now he...
Yeah, I think he can get it. far away.
Next left, apex earlier. Keep pushing. Next left, apex earlier. Keep pushing. 123.39. Next left, brake
Break
later.
later, she says. Easy for the robot to say.
Yeah, he's going to move on to say.
Keep pushing.
We are but mortal men made of flesh and blood.
Next left, apex earlier.
Your tires are pretty good.
Above average.
It feels like they hug the road.
Yeah. Good tires.
Yeah.
120.87. Next left, brake later.
I don't know that she's got her best interest in mind. Freak.
Above average.
But it does feel nice when a woman tells you you're above average.
Yeah.